Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 3 trades. Today's date is July the 18th and I'm using my new PIP trigger trading system. This system uses the Hull moving average and then the gold line here, another moving average, and down at the bottom we have momentum indicators. Now the Hull will give an audio sound and a pop-up alert box, as you see right here, suggesting that the Hull is either changed either up or down. Now when I put the videos together, it was about 4 months before I got the super signal indicator, but at the moment, while I'm using it and any system that I will be using in the future, I will be using or adding to the system the super signal indicator. That's this indicator. It's a super signal. Love it, as it has all the bells and whistles in it. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now if you love to scalp the markets, then you will love the super signal indicator. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan, the expert advisor, and we can take a look at that. Here it is here. This is live, right up to the minute, exactly what's going on in the market, and it's about 10 minutes before 11 a.m. New York time. So the ones that I love trading, from the crude oil down, these ones move a lot more and pay a lot more, and a lot of them are preferred. So there's still lots of ticks to be made within the market. As my mentor told me many years ago, traders who do not have some kind of a daily trade plan, well, they're doomed to fail as a trader. So you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. And after many daily trade plans, this by far is the best daily trade plan I ever came across. If you have any questions about this daily trade plan, or if you want to buy, well, just get in contact with me. I do prefer Skype. So now we can get into these 3 trades that I've taken. First one I sold as it was working its way down, and now of course, as you just saw in a daily trade plan, it is suggesting to buy, and as soon as this candle here closes, we'll get a blue up arrow like right here. So, and it could easily go back up to here and keep working its way up to the ADR, which is way up here. That's the high and that's the low right there. So let's see where we got in at. Took the trade as it was dropping. I knew it was going to go. There's the arrow for selling. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. I knew I was going to get something. It doesn't mean I'm going to get 100, 200 ticks, but I knew I was going to have a winner with about a 95% certainty. And I closed it out after I saw all these wicks right here, which suggested it was going to go back at least to the goal line. So I took the money and divided it by 20, as it pays $20 for each tick. And it says it should be 28, and there it is right there, 28. You remove the last 2 digits. And that ended up paying out $562. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Here we go. I bought this one. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. And so let's see where I got in at. Went a little bit down first until finally it decided to go up according to the daily trade plan. Now it could have just, with this buy signal here and the hull was blue, could have gone up at this point, but it did one more little bit of a cycle. Remember, the market's very random. Keep in mind a 10 or 20 tick stop many times will not hold, especially if you're doing futures and indexes. So anyhow, crude oil pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 58. So from there to there should be 58. There it is right there, 58 ticks. And that paid out $580. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is gold. Now gold, this one pays same $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 172. Let's see where I got in at. So I wanted to be buying. Did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan that I manually put in. And of course we have the super signal indicator right here saying to buy. So I took the trade at this cursor, and like I said, it should be 172, and right, this is where I got out at 172. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. Those 172 ticks paid out $1,721. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger. I added up all the ticks here. Grand total was 258. I knew it was going to be over 200. That's my goal every day I'm trading. So those 258 ticks paid out $2,863. So, as I said, great day of trading. And if your system is not producing like my PIP trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or you want to buy, all you have to do is get in contact with me. And to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video. So like I said, right below the video, so here's the video, and right below it, there's a button right here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another window, and then all you have to do is scroll down. I really do prefer Skype. I made it really easy for you. All you have to do is click on this link. We'll have Skype connection, even if you think you don't have Skype. If you have a computer or a cell phone, we'll be connected and we can talk live. Please keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And you need a daily trade plan. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 each. I recommend getting all 4 packages. I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now in the first package here, the PIP trigger, this is the one I'm using now to trade the markets. It does not include the super signal. As I mentioned, I got the super signal about 4 months after. And that super signal is in the Easy Trader system, number 4 here. Keep in mind that package 3 and 4 has only 4 training videos. 3 is the daily trade plan EA. Now 1 and 2 is where the bulk of the training videos are. 22 in package 1 and 20 training videos in package 2. Package 2 is called How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips. Each video in package 1 and 2 is approximately 30 minutes long each. So as we move down, I show each package everything that I teach. I teach a lot of training, education, a lot of ways to trade the markets. How I trade live, more education, the daily trade plan. I run the daily trade plan showing you whether you want to trade Asian session, London session, or the New York session. Did exactly the same thing, showing you all 3 sessions within the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Or if you live too far, well, just send me an email. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Now here's another link to the Skype right here. I want to please take note, and I want to let you know that once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back because you have a copy of it. And due to the fact that it takes me 2 weeks to put a package together in 100 hours, so there's a lot of work involved, I want you to please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video and this day of trading. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.